What's good, y'all? So yes, I'm back with another Valentine's Day look, but there's a twist. This is actually a collab with some other beautiful ladies, and I'm also going to leave the ladies' channels down in the description box down below, so check out their videos. So to get started, I'm going to start with my NYX concealer in white. We already know how it goes. And I'm using my busted ass Amazon palette, but I don't care, it still works for me. And I'm taking this deep purple and I'm gonna put this all in my crease. What y'all got plans for Valentine's Day? Like, are y'all going out? Did y'all check out my date video? I'm gonna leave it in the description box down below. You can check out how to get an amazing look for date night, because I know somebody got plans on Valentine's Day. So I'm going to take this pink and I'm going to blend out that purple, and it's blended so seamlessly. And then of course we gotta cut this crease. How they be cutting them bitches in Brownsville. Let me stop. We gotta cut this crease, and I don't even know what type of cut crease this is called, but I did a little curve on the ends of them. So I'm gonna pat that out to make sure it's all blended, of course. And I'm gonna put this pretty shimmery pink on top of that. And of course, you gotta make sure all your colors are blended back. Don't ever blend colors out and not put them back. So I'm gonna put this color in my brow bone. This color's from my Tartelette palette. I'm not sure what color it is, but I would put something in my brow bone. So I'm taking my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner in black, and I am giving myself a beautiful bold wing liner. Matter of fact, it wasn't that bold. I actually need to do better with my liners. I want to make my liners more bold. I be so scared to just throw liner on because I be scared that it's gonna turn into a panda eye. So I be playing it safe. So I'm taking this Radiant Liquid eyeshadow in pink. It looks white on camera, but it's pink. And I'm putting that all in the beginning part of my lid. And I'm blending that out with the shimmery pink so everything's blended. Throwing on my mascara. I got this mascara from Avon. I actually really love it. So now I'm taking my NYX glitter primer and I'm going to pop that right over that pink shimmery liquid eyeshadow that I just used. And I'm gonna put pink glitters. It's NYX glitters. I finally got some chunky glitters, guys, so I cannot wait to do some looks with those glitters. So I'm taking these lashes from Luxe Pink Lashes. This is the 7 lash tray case, and this is number 4. I'm gonna just pop those on real quick, like I'm about to pop it for daddy for Valentine's Day. Let me stop. I mean, shit, that's what y'all better be doing. Let him know how special you are to him and how you've blessed his life. You gotta let them know sometimes. So I'm doing my lower lash line with pink and purple, of course. And to finish with my highlight, I'm using my BH Cosmetics 9 highlighter palette. And I'm using Top It Off. Getting out on my nose, my Cupid's bow. And this is the finished look, y'all. Let me know down in the comments what y'all think about this look. And I'm gonna check out my next video. Peace.